You're right back out to the middle of nowhere. Good morning, party people! What was the last one to leave, bro? I wake up so late. That's okay, because I'm in no rush. And we got a good sleep last night. Yeah! Feeling great today. We're going to Calgary. Which just means the use, coffee, poop, and yeah, that's pretty well it. Nice, got a cheeseburger and a medium fry. Let's go. Pretty sure I have a drink in the van too. I can't feel my legs anymore. Oh yeah, sunshine, sunshine. I knew I picked a good day to head to Calgary. Everything looks pretty good. Let's do a quick outside inspection. Closed, closed, closed. Still off. Tire looks good. Everything looks good. All right, inside, outside looks good. You just keep purring for me, Big Blue. What is the water situation looking like? Because I can go get water right now, but oh yeah, it's a little low. Will I really use that much? Calgary. Yeah, the heck with water. I think we'll be fine. Cut to the scene where I'm like, oh, I wish we got more water. Calgary. 3 hours and 5 minutes. Not really sure what that is, but big teepee. I called CB, hey! Should have stayed there for a night. Oh, it was kind of cool. Crazy. I gotta get my door before it flies off. Man, when I say this might actually be flatter than Saskatchewan, like it might actually be flatter than Saskatchewan. There is nothing. Absolutely wank out here, man. Tell you what though, this is straight today. The crosswind's coming straight from the south going north, which it probably explains why it's so sunny and beautiful and warm today, but dang man, we're fighting this wheel today. Oh, not good. Oh boy, here we go, here we go. Holy cow, I'm gonna pee my pants. Holy moly, that's a big solar farm. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. And a nice little downhill to get us going onto the highway. Dang, look at the size of that thing. Yeah, those solar panels are like literally as big as the van. a big time oversized load coming up behind me, and I think I'm just gonna get the frick out of his way. Yeah, that's a big truck. Nice views, nice sun. Just didn't want to die to an oversized load. He did give me a wave though, which is pretty sweet. Yes, man, yes. 28 years old, packed my life up, drove across the country, man. Yeah, absolutely wild concept to think about. I can't wipe the smile off my face. It's just so cool. I love this. That's cool. Nice little town right on the lake. Man, that'd be a cool place to camp tonight. Chestermere. We're not far from Calgary, about 15 minutes. And I can see the mountains. I can see the Rocky Mountains from here, which is nuts. You won't be able to see it on the camera because it's like through the haze and everything. And I got crazy good eyeballs, but how is it still in 110 zone through here? This is nuts. Calgary! Yeah, all right. We made it. Oh my goodness. Oh, what a beautiful day. Calgary. You can kind of see the city skyline here behind me. I just really need to take a shower because, like I've mentioned before, you either get cold or really, really hot inside the van. So today I chose really hot, and the sun was also just beating down on your boy. And I'm pretty sweaty. Heck yeah, man, we're officially on the west coast now. We're not too far from the BC border, which is crazy, absolutely crazy to think about, man. Big Blue. Just hummed right along, no issues. Walked into the supplement store and they convinced me to get a big old thing of creatine, but it's 40 bucks. It's honestly a steal. I was starting to get low on the other stuff, so just curious to know. Hardest thing to do in these things is find the scoop. It's a fun bag of treats. Horrible sushi, but the salmon spice, classic. And this time we got buffalo chicken bites with ranch dip. Good morning.
Sorry to disturb. But we are waiting till morning. You are not awake, so we have to knock your door.
It's private property. It's not allowed to park here.
All right.
Yeah.
So you have
I'm sorry.
But we are waiting like from night till morning.
We said like you can't stay, you can't sleep, but like it's now already almost 5.
Yeah. If our supervisor managers will come and they will ask us
complain on us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I'm
that's
sorry
fine.
about that.
So you have leave after when you're ready, right?
Sure.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you
so much.
No problem.
I'm sorry about that.
Okay. Mall security. That's 5 in the morning. Our first knock. Oh, it's so annoying. Okay, let's move. Just camping at this Walmart, you know, hanging out in Calgary. And there was this big rig that was right beside me, and it was a band from Indiana. I talked to the manager. He was out organizing some merch and everything out back. Seemed like cool people. No. Just lost all respect for them. They took off and they just left all their garbage sitting out in the parking lot. And I know Canada's getting worse and worse for, you know, littering and all that stuff, but I hate that, man. I really hate that. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the trek over to Calgary. We're about to start the most intense part of our journey, which is going through the mountains, the Rocky Mountains. It's serious business. I've mapped out a route that's the safest for the van. We'll expand on that in the next video, but we need to go pick up some extra items inside Walmart here to begin our mountain prep in order to ensure that we have everything, all the ammunition in our arsenal to complete this crazy part of the journey and this intense leg of traveling. Big Blue's done well so far, but we need to stock up on some oil and propane and extra things that are just in case anything were to happen. Thank you guys so much for the support so far. It's been an amazing journey. I really, really appreciate every single one of you who have been following along. Hit that like, hit that sub, and join me for the mountains on the next episode. Peace.